Perrin trunk handle, originally designed for Subarus. But these two right here are installed in a Kia Forte. How are these installed here? Well, originally this red handle right here goes flat against the black liner in a Subaru. But in this car, because the design is different, something like this is a little different. Now the instructions say to install, well, once you replace this plastic screw, make a bigger hole, and then you gotta install this rivet right here. You gotta install it backwards. Upwards. But in this car, I went ahead and installed it from the inside out, like this. And the reason is, if I install it like this screw right here is not gonna reach all the way in and then adjust and get tight. And the other thing is that this black nut right here is to fill that space that comes with this black liner, something like that. Doesn't come included in with the handle. It's something that I added. And after all, it's firm, sturdy. Again, these trunk handles are originally designed for modern Subarus, but for this Kia Forte doesn't have any handle or anything to close the trunk lid. That's why I installed them like that. Again, this is not a Subaru, it's a Kia Forte Koup.